Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here for sale a semi-completed property consisting of 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms with modern design and finishes. It sits on 0.21 acres of land. It is located on West Road in the cool hills of Mandeville, Manchester. West Road is a quiet, family-oriented community that is about 2 minutes to the town center, with police station, schools, the hospital, and the Brooks Recreation Park. You have the opportunity to put the finishing touches to make it into your dream home or an option to purchase after completion with your design. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.